In this video, I'm going to show you how to update a sales order using Zoho CRM in N8N step by step so you can make changes to your workflow quickly and confidently. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N automation guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This is the workflow where you want to add the Zoho CRM action for updating your sales order. Once your workflow is open, look at the nodes panel on the left side of the screen. This is where you can add new actions and integrations to your automation. Now from the nodes panel, choose Zoho CRM. You can use the search bar if needed to find it faster. After selecting Zoho CRM, look through the available actions until you find Update a Sales Order. Click that option to add it to your workflow. Once the node is added, it's time to configure what you want to update. This is where you define the sales order details that should be changed in Zoho CRM. Set up the fields according to your workflow needs and make sure the correct sales order data is being passed into the node. You can map the values from previous steps in your automation so the update happens automatically. Take a moment to review your configuration carefully. Make sure the sales order you want to update is selected properly and double check every field before moving on. This helps ensure your workflow runs smoothly and updates the right record in Zoho CRM. And that's it. You've now learned how to update a sales order using Zoho CRM in N8N. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more N8N workflow tips.